Hi, I'm David with AutoZone, and today we're going to go over when to replace your alternator. Your alternator is a vital component of your vehicle's starting system. Let's go over some of the symptoms of a faulty alternator. One of the symptoms may be your engine cranking slowly or has a hard time turning over. Your battery warning light comes on while driving. Your battery won't hold a charge. Your charging light is on. You hear noise from your engine, rumbling or squealing. Your headlights or interior lights dim or fluctuate while driving. Your car will begin to lose power and your lights will fade out. Here at AutoZone, we offer free alternator testing, so you can be sure that this is the real issue and avoid spending money on things you don't need. Before you get started, there's a few things you want to rule out first. First, you want to test your battery using a multimeter, 12 volt or 14 volt when running. At AutoZone, we use a starting and charging tester like this one to test your system's battery and alternator, free of charge. Next, you want to charge the battery if it's not fully charged. At AutoZone, we offer free battery testing, so we can help you with this step. Check for corrosion at terminal and battery cable ends. Check fuses and fusible links. They could be creating a charging system issue. Check that alternator wires are plugged in securely. Check your voltage regulator wires for damage. Check for voltage drop between battery and alternator. And finally, check the alternator and serpentine belt for tension, cracks, or glazing. If all of these seem fine, then the alternator is probably the issue. The last few checks apply to the alternator itself. Check the alternator pulley for wobble, noise, or rough bearings. Rotate the alternator pulley by hand with the engine off. Unplug the wire harness while idling to see if the noise stops. It's important that the alternator is safely accessible and engine is cool. If not, skip this check. If your vehicle passes these checks, it's probably time for a new alternator. If you need help with the steps on how to replace your alternator, check out the link in the description below. Thank you everyone for watching. And for more helpful videos, check out our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe.